Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 43. And our prompts are, we have got a fence, and it's teeny tiny, but there is a fence up there. I had a hard time finding a fence. A word cut from a magazine, and I've got this entertaining. Two contrasting colors. I've got my background, which has the orange and the purple. Something soft. I've got this little bunny rabbit. A favorite book of art or author, and I've got the Harry Potter. This is written by J.K. Rowling. And I have lots of favorite books for different reasons, but this is the one I'm going for. I've read it so many times I've lost track. So that's what we're going to go with. Figure it goes with my background and everything anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I just need to figure out how I'm going to lay this down. I'm not 100% sure. Kind of, maybe something like that. Or maybe flip these around. All right, and I got a few. That's an extra piece, and this is an extra piece. And I've got my washi tape. And I also thought about adding maybe just some greenery or something. I don't know, to kind of break it up a little. We'll see how it looks. Maybe a smaller piece. Not sure about the leaf. It kind of blends in, so. Maybe down here. Something like that, maybe. Got to give myself room for the washi. I think I'm gonna hold off on the maybe use this instead. Okay, so I'm liking that. Now let me get it laid down, and then I'll decide what to do with my washi. Okay, see, this will go down. This will go down first. There's not a whole lot going on. I'm in book 2 of the Shea Archer series from Jana DeLeon, and I forgot how good they really were. It's been a few years since I've seen it, because you know who did it and all that, but see, I can honestly say I don't remember much anymore. Well, it can go off and I can clip. Unless I put this up here. No, I think I like this better down here. So I'm just gonna put that down, and I'll just clip the corners. And my husband and I have been watching Grimm, and it's been good. That's one that really got better as you went on. We're not too far into season 3. And I like it. It's good, it's funny, lots of mystery, intrigue. I hope it doesn't mess up, because there's some things going on now that I'm just not so sure about. find my, there's my tweezers. Get that little piece out. We've hit on so many great series, and then they just go bad. And I mean, they were so good. Lie to Me was one. First and second season was wonderful, and we couldn't even get through the third season. It just, I don't know, the whole attitude changed in there. So let's put this down. And then Reddington was one that was so good, but the way it ended just stunk. It could have been a lot better. It was good, but it could have been better. To start off so good. I don't like when they mess with my characters. You get invested in them, you like them, and then you just do something crazy with them. And I may add some more greenery on there. I like the way that greenery looks. Okay. Now we can add that down. And my little bunny. See, I feel like I need something there, and I do need to remember my washi. So I like this. Kind of got some purples and some oranges in there, so I chose this. Normally I would glue this down, but since it's just for my own personal, we're just gonna go with it. And maybe tear these. And we've got this one. These are some my dear friend Barbie gave me. I love washi. I never think about using it enough. There we go. My prompt is covered, but I do think I want to add a little more greenery in some places. Like that. Okay. I don't want it there. I want something right there. here. We'll just kind of bring it up like that. Now, I want to do my Stabilo or a pen. Let's see here. See if this pen will work. Just help them to pop off. Okay, just kind of sketching it out a little bit. He's a cute little fella. And get these. Go. I think that's okay. Maybe the book. Here we go. Do I need to cut that off or can I leave it? I think I'm going to leave it. It's not poking over too much. I don't think it'll bother anything. I do want to kind of because I think this is entertaining. And I want to do some splatters, but I don't think I want to do some black splatters. Let me grab my watercolor. I usually do gold, but I think this one, black, would be better. Get this going good. And my brush. All right. I like it. And I think we'll call this one done. We've got our fence, as tiny as it may be, a word from a magazine, or cut from a magazine, 2 contrasting colors, which is my background, something soft, which is my bunny rabbit, a favorite book or author. I've got my Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, and the bonus is washi tape, and I have got my washi tape. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time. Oh, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP43. I almost forgot. So y'all take care. Have a wonderful week. Bye, y'all.